Commands to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, alone life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Everyone, today's international news is brought to you by International news is brought to you by Kishore of Grade VIII Jasper. Donald Trump adopts messenger in chief role after the death of Charlie Kirk. Young activists who topped Nepal's government now picking new leaders. Russia attack on Ukraine in Kivohad region. Power cuts, the governor says. Thank you. Myself, Archandra from Grade VIII Jasper. Today I am going to say national news. Manipur erupts and after PM Modi visit, crashes Surchandapur. BMW car crashes and kills Finance Minister Deputy Secretary Navjot Singh. Delhi road accident. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. Today's state news is brought to you by Tarak Srivati of Grade VIII Jasper. State news. Hyderabad hosts Traffic and Road Safety Summit 2025. Jagtiala youth dies by suicide after being warned over online games. Telangana transfers 12 additional SP rank officers. Thank you. Today, post news is brought to you by Yashwant of Grade VIII Jasper. For prohibiting handshake with India. Varun Chakravarti becomes first T20 bowler in ICC for the first time. Jaipur Pink Panthers vs Bengal Warriors. Jaipur Pink Panthers won by 4 points. Thank you and have a nice day. Today weather report is brought to you by Tarak Srivati of Grade VIII Jasper. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Humidity 82%. Wind speed 16 km per hour. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by Pratik of Grade VIII Jasper. Today's thought: honesty is the best policy. I'll repeat it again. Honesty is the best policy. Thank you. Today's word: fairness. It means to treat everyone equally, justly, and without any discrimination. Friends, please spell after me. Fairness. 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 Thank you. Today, GK questions are brought to you by Mohammad Junaid of Grade VIII Jasper. Question for Grade VI. Who is the first woman governor in India? I repeat once again. Who is the first woman governor in India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Miss Sarojini Naidu. Question for Grade VIII. Who was the first deputy PM of India? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Vallabhbhai Patel. Let us all appreciate them. Grade IX. Who was the first Indian woman pilot in Indian Airlines? I repeat once again. Who was the first Indian woman pilot in Indian Airlines? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Harita Kaur Dayal. Question for Grade X. Which planet is known as the Lord of Heavens? I repeat once again. Which planet is known as the Lord of Heavens? Pick the right answer, and the answer is Jupiter. Let us all appreciate them. Questions to all. Question number 1. What is the only country in the world that does not have a capital city? I repeat once again. What is the only country in the world that does not have a capital city? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Nauru. Question number 2. Who was the first person to mathematically calculate the circumference of the earth in 3rd century of BC? I repeat once again. Who was the first person to mathematically calculate the circumference of the earth in 3rd century of BC? Pick the right answer, and the answer is Eratosthenes. Question number 3. What is the only number which has the same number of letters as its value? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 4. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you. Respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow mates, I am S.V. Vivek of Grade VIII Jasper, and I am here to tell a short speech about honesty and integrity. Talking about honesty, it means telling the truth, being sincere, and not cheating or lying. But integrity goes one step further. It means doing right thing even when no one is watching us. These values are like two sides of same coin. Without them, the person may obtain a temporary success, but never true respect. Honest and upright people are trusted by everyone. For example, Mahatma Gandhi. He is remembered as father of our nation, but not only for leading India's struggle, but also for his life of truth and integrity. On the other hand, dishonesty may bring a quick success, but it never lasts forever. It is like a house built on sand. It may collapse at any second. But truth and integrity are like a strong foundation. It may take time to build, but it lasts forever. And a honest man never lends his head because he won't do any mistake. Thank you. Everyone, today's school news is brought to you by Punit of Grade VIII Jasper. School news. Effective examinations are going on, which have started from 17th of this month, and it is going to end by today. And there is 6th IIT JEE NEET examination on tomorrow, and our school is going to celebrate pre-Dasara celebrations on this Saturday. The PDA meeting for day scholars is on 20th September, and for PDA meeting for hostlers it is on 21st September. Thank you. That's the end of today's assembly.